Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make a lemon cake, and for the ingredients we have sugar, lemon juice, an egg, baking soda, lemon zest, baking flour, margarine, that is blue band, milk, vanilla essence, and some salt. So without further ado, let's get started. So for this recipe we are going to use blender to mix everything.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
It's mixed up in the blender. We already have our, since we don't have a baking tray for cake, we're going to use this aluminium sufuria. I've already oiled it and dusted it with some flour, so I'll just put the mixture there and then shove it in the oven. So for cleaning the blender, if you might be wondering how you're going to clean it, I just put some water and liquid soap and then blend everything to make sure the sticky paste is removed out of the blender, and then we're going to clean this up. And there is our clean blender jug. And now our cake is ready. I'll go ahead and use a toothpick to ensure that everything is all cooked inside there. And the toothpick is clean. That means it's well cooked. Inside it's cooked. And now let's have our cake. And before that, we are going to drizzle our cake with lemon juice mixed with sugar. So since I don't have white sugar, I'm using the brown sugar. Yeah. That's our cake, and it was really yummy. Yeah. Yes, so thank you for watching, and bye. See you in the next video.